Hi there. Greetings from Visco. Let us now see how to use the Visco metatarsal support. Product code 1117. The Visco metatarsal support provides cushion over the metatarsal area and relieves pain during walking. It is used in case of painful metatarsalgia, redistribution of metatarsal pressure, and is an ideal support for collapsed transverse arch. The metatarsal support is in universal size. One size fits all. Let us see how to use the product. Slide the metatarsal support so that the cushion pad comes over the metatarsal area on the foot. Now pull and lock the Velcro strap at the back at the heel to secure it in place. Congratulations! You are now wearing the product correctly.